Everything has been created with al-Qadar. The Lord has created and balanced all things and has fixed their destinies and guided them. Quran Surat al-Ala 87-2. How do we get seasons? Every single day the Earth makes a full rotation around its own axis, and every solar year, the Earth rotates around the Sun in approximately 365 days and 8 hours. A solar year, the time it takes Earth to orbit the Sun, lasts around 365 days, while a lunar year, or 12 full cycles of the Moon, is roughly 354 days. Because of this discrepancy, a purely lunar calendar, like the Islamic, or Hijri, calendar, doesn't stay aligned with the seasons. Islam's holy month of Ramadan may fall in summer one year, and winter a number of years later. What is climate? Climate describes the average weather conditions of a particular place over a 30-year period. All places on Earth have their own climates. Some climates are small in scale, like the climate of a local region or the microclimates within an ecosystem, and some are much larger, such as the climates of entire continents, or the world's oceans. Different from weather events, which are short-term and temporary phenomenon, climates are usually steady and predictable, and shape how organisms and human civilizations evolve and adapt in any given region. However, climates are not always permanent, and can change drastically due to human activity. Types of climates vary with latitude, altitude, height of the place compared to sea level, landscape, seas and sea currents, depending on where the city, town is located. Types of climates are hot, temperate and cold with variations based on all previously mentioned factors. What are latitude and longitude? Latitude and longitude, coordinate system by means of which the position or location of any place on Earth's surface can be determined and described. Types of climates. Observe the map. Look at the types of climates based on the distance from the equator. However, local climates vary a lot, based on altitudes, sea level, elevation, like plains, hills, mountains, and so on. What is the weather? Weather, state of the atmosphere at a particular place during a short period of time. It involves such atmospheric phenomena as temperature, humidity, precipitation, rain, type and amount, air pressure, wind, and cloud cover. Weather differs from climate in that the latter includes the synthesis of weather conditions over many years. What's the difference between weather and climate? The weather is the set of conditions in the atmosphere in one location for a limited period of time, such as throughout the day, at night, or at any particular point during the day. Daily weather could be sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, hail, cold, snowy. No one knows the weather of tomorrow. Hadith. Ibn Umar reported, the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, the keys of the unseen are 5 and no one knows them but Allah, no one knows what is in the womb but Allah, no one knows what will happen tomorrow but Allah, no one knows when it will rain but Allah, no one knows where he will die but Allah, and no one knows when the hour will be established but Allah. Source, Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith 6944. Salam, hope you benefited from the seasons and weather presentation. Roots Islamic Homeschool, the cool school.